Welcome to Pro Speak English. Let's learn to speak English with confidence.
Hello, travelers. Welcome back to our English series. Today, we are at the Grand Horizon Hotel. Checking into a hotel is one of the most important things you will do when traveling. In this first lesson, I have just arrived from the airport and I need to get my room key. Pay attention to how I give my information to the receptionist. Let's start.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Grand Horizon Hotel. How may I assist you today?
Good afternoon. I am here to check in. I have a reservation under the name Sarah Jenkins.
Excellent. Let me pull up your booking. Could you please spell your last name for me?
Sure. It is Jenkins.
Thank you, Miss Jenkins. Yes, I see your reservation here. You booked a standard queen room for 3 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct. 3 nights.
Perfect. May I please have your passport or a valid ID card for verification?
Of course. Here is my passport.
Thank you. I also need a credit card for the security deposit. We will not charge it now. It is just for incidental expenses.
I understand. Here is my Visa card. Will I get the deposit back when I check out?
Yes, absolutely. As long as there are no damages or room service charges, the hold is released immediately upon checkout.
That sounds good. Is breakfast included in my booking? I cannot remember.
Let me check. Yes, the breakfast buffet is included. It is served from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the main dining hall.
Great, thank you. And what is the Wi-Fi password? I need to send a message to my family.
The Wi-Fi network is Grand Guest, and the password is your room number. Here is your key card. You are in room 402.
Room 402. Is that on the 4th floor?
Yes, take the elevators to the 4th floor and turn right. Do you need assistance with your bags?
No, I'm fine. My backpack is light. Thank you for your help.
You are very welcome, Miss Jenkins. We hope you have a wonderful stay with us.
Did you catch that? I used the phrase check in to arrive, and he mentioned a security deposit. This is money they hold just in case you break something. But wait, I just got to my room and there's a big problem. In the next video, I have to go back downstairs and complain. See you there. Welcome back. I went up to my room, but unfortunately, it smells like cigarette smoke and the window does not close properly. I cannot sleep there. I have returned to the front desk to complain. Complaining politely is a very high-level English skill. Let's see how I handle this difficult situation.
Hello again, Miss Jenkins. Did you find your room all right? Is everything to your satisfaction?
Actually, I have a bit of a problem with room 402. I am afraid I cannot stay in that room.
I am terribly sorry to hear that. What exactly is the issue with the room?
Well, first of all, there's a very strong smell of cigarette smoke. I requested a non-smoking room.
Oh, that is not acceptable at all. Our hotel is strictly non-smoking. I apologize for that oversight.
Also, the latch on the window seems to be broken. It will not close all the way, and it is very noisy from the street traffic.
I see. A broken latch is a safety concern, and the smoke smell is definitely a health issue. We must move you immediately.
Thank you. Do you have another room available on a higher floor? Maybe one that is quieter?
Let me check our availability. It seems we are fully booked for standard rooms tonight.
Oh no. Does that mean I have to stay in the smelly room?
Absolutely not. Since this is our mistake, I can upgrade you to a junior suite on the top floor.
An upgrade? Will that cost me extra money?
No, Miss Jenkins, it is complimentary because of the inconvenience you faced. It is much larger and very quiet.
That is very generous of you. Thank you for fixing this so quickly. I really appreciate it.
It is the least we can do. Here are your new keys for room 805. It has a lovely view of the city.
Perfect. I will go move my bags now. Thank you again for your help.
My pleasure. Please let me know if the new room is perfect. Have a restful evening.
Notice how I used "I'm afraid" to introduce bad news softly, and he offered a complimentary upgrade. Complimentary means free. Now that I'm settled, I'm getting hungry. In the next video, I will ask for local food recommendations. See you soon. Hello again. I am loving my new suite. It is perfect. Now it is dinner time. Instead of looking at my phone, I want to ask a local person for advice. Hotel receptionists usually know the best places to eat. Watch how I ask for a specific type of food.
Welcome back, Miss Jenkins. How is the suite working out for you?
It is wonderful, thank you. Much better than the first room. I have a question for you.
Of course. What can I help you with?
I am looking for a place to have dinner. I do not want hotel food tonight. I want something local.
That is a great idea. What kind of cuisine are you in the mood for? Italian, Asian, or maybe traditional local dishes?
I think I'm craving traditional food, something authentic but not too expensive.
I know the perfect place. It's called Mama's Kitchen. It's a small family-run restaurant about 2 blocks from here.
That sounds lovely. Is it within walking distance? I prefer not to take a taxi.
Yes, it's a very safe 5-minute walk. Just go out the front door, turn left, and walk until you see the blue sign.
Do I need a reservation? It is Friday night, so it might be busy.
Usually you can just walk in, but since it's Friday, let me call them quickly and book a table for you, just to be safe.
Oh, would you? That is so kind of you.
Hello? Yes, table for 1, Miss Jenkins. Perfect. Okay, you're all set for 7:30 p.m.
Thank you so much. You have been incredibly helpful today.
It's no trouble at all. Try their beef stew. It's the best in the city. Enjoy your dinner.
Did you hear me say I'm craving? That means I really want to eat something specific. Also, he booked a table, which means he made a reservation. I'm going to have a great dinner. In the next video, I need to arrange a wake-up call for the morning. See you then. Hello, everyone. Dinner was delicious. Now it is late and I have an early flight tomorrow morning. I need to make sure I wake up on time and I need a ride to the airport. I am stopping by the desk one last time tonight. Let's listen.
Good evening, Miss Jenkins. Welcome back. How was the beef stew?
It was amazing. Thank you for the recommendation. I am heading to bed now, but I have a request.
Certainly. What do you need?
I have a very early flight tomorrow. Could I arrange a wake-up call for 5:30 a.m.?
5:30 a.m. Not a problem. I will set that up in the system right now. The phone next to your bed will ring at exactly that time.
Great. And I also need a taxi to the airport. Can you book one for me?
I can certainly do that. What time would you like the taxi to be waiting outside?
If I wake up at 5:30, I think I will be ready by 6:15 a.m. Is that enough time to get to the airport?
Yes. At that hour, there is no traffic. It will take about 30 minutes. 6:15 a.m. is a perfect time.
Okay, please book it for 6:15 a.m. Can I pay the driver with a credit card?
Most taxis here accept cards, but I will request a car that definitely has a card machine, just to be sure.
That makes me feel much better. I tend to worry about travel logistics.
Do not worry. We will handle everything. You just get some sleep.
Thank you. Oh, one last thing. Is there coffee available that early?
Yes, we have a complimentary coffee station in the lobby starting at 5 a.m. You can grab a cup on your way out.
You are a lifesaver. Good night.
Good night, Miss Jenkins. Sleep well.
A wake-up call is when the hotel phones you to wake up. It is very useful if you sleep through alarms. In the final video, I will check out and pay my bill. See you in the morning. Good morning. I had a great sleep, got my coffee, and my taxi is almost here. It is time to check out. This is the final step. I need to pay my bill and say goodbye. Let's finish our story.
Good morning, Miss Jenkins. Did you get your coffee?
Yes, I did. It was delicious. I'm ready to check out now.
Excellent. Here is your key card. Did you have anything from the minibar last night?
No, I did not touch anything in the minibar.
Okay, so your total comes to $450 for the 3 nights. The upgrade was free, of course.
Can you use the same credit card I gave you when I checked in?
Yes, I have it on file. I will process that now. And approved. Would you like a printed receipt or should I email it to you?
Please email it to me. I do not want to carry more paper.
Done. It has been sent to your email address. Your taxi is waiting just outside the main doors.
Thank you so much. You made my stay very special, especially with the room change.
We were happy to turn a bad start into a good stay. Safe travels back home.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Miss Jenkins. Come back soon.
And that is how you handle a hotel stay in English, from checking in to solving a problem to checking out. I hope you feel more confident for your next trip. Thanks for watching and see you in the next series.